How far? Crypto is not dead though. Crypto never die. Shey you understand? See, the my little advice for you, wey be say you wan put money for crypto right now, na to DCA on top any coin wey you like, on top any project. I no know any coin but any project wey say e sure for you or you dey asure of, because me I no sure of any project right now and I no give anybody financial advice. Just dey DCA on top am. Shey you understand? Dey DCA. Wetin I mean by DCA be dollar cost averaging. For example now, you get like 50k, instead of you make you put that 50k at once and you never know, maybe the market don balance or you never balance, wetin you just do, first put 10k, if the market drop again put another 10k, if the market drop again put another 10k, if the market drop again put another 10k. na wetin DCA mean be that. Shey you understand? I no go advise you say because say dip don happen now you wan put all the money. The dip wey happen now fit later go deeper life. Shey you understand? So if you wan invest now, try dey do DCA. Even DCA like this sef no wan DCA again.